My dear teachers, this problem is about surface area, but this time it's with triangular prism, as you can see. What is the surface area? Again, the question is about surface area of the triangular prism. So again, I want to remind you about the surface area. The surface area means when I'm covering this triangle with, like I'm painting it, or I'm covering with gift paper. So that means everything around this triangle, when we cover it, how we can calculate the surface area. So how many faces do I have? First of all, you're going to see that the back face and the front face are congruent because they have two congruent triangles. And after that, I have a side in the right side, I have in the left side, and I have the bottom side. So in total, I have 5 faces. So let's start with the front and back. So area of front and back. You see right away they are triangles. So as you know, the area of any triangle, equal to half time base time height. So in this case, it's going to be the half. The base here, you see right away, it's 8 centimeter. So half time 8 time the height. The height here is 6. So that means 6. Now I can simplify 2 with 8. It will give me 4. 4 times 6, it will give me 24. But before I forget, there is something very important that I have to take note of it. And I'm going to write it in red, that I have to multiply by 2. Why? Because I have front and back and they are congruent. So don't forget this 2. So 4 times 6 equal 24. 24 times 2 equal 48. And this is centimeter square. So this is the front and back. Now let's take the area of right face. The right face, it's this one. It's 12 by 10. So it's easy. And I don't have to multiply by 2 because it's the only one. So that means 120 centimeter square. Next, the area of the left side, or the left face, I mean. The left face is 6 by 12. So 6 times 12. 6 times 2 equals 12. I have 1. 6 times 1 equals 6, and 1, 7. That means centimeter square. Don't forget, you can use always your calculator because they allow you to use calculator for this type of problem. And after that, the bottom. So area of bottom equal to 12 by 8. 12 times 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. I have 1. 8 times 1, 8, and 1, 9 centimeter square. Now I have this 3. I can use my calculator by saying 48 plus 120 plus 72 plus 96 equal 336. So here, total surface area 336. So again, I want to make sure that I got it right. 336, yes, centimeter square. So now I check between the answer. Right away, I see the 336 exists in C. So C, it can be the right choice in this case. Thank you for listening.